On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be doing week 3 of 4 on workplace safety. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. You've reached week 3 of workplace safety, and today we're talking about work area ventilation. Work area ventilation is important because we want to make sure that everybody can breathe as well as possible and that everything is got great ventilation. These are going to be a couple tips to get you started. The very first thing is mix it up. It doesn't matter if you're using windows, vents, fans, or air conditioning. Make sure that you provide ventilation in some way, shape, or form. Number 2, stay on top of maintenance. Make sure that you regularly check your filters and if needed, replace them. 3, listen to your staff. They're going to be the people that are going to be out in the front lines. So make sure that you're always listening to not only feedback on how ventilation is, but also feedback on what could be made better. And last, but certainly not least, one size does not fit all. What works inside an office may not work out on the production floor. So make sure that you tailor your ventilation to the areas that you're actually in, and you're going to be absolutely great. These tips are by no means the end-all be-all. As always, make sure that you follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility and whatever guidelines or whatever specifications they need. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe. And here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line Floor Tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line Floor Tape, the only durable stripe.